Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find developer options. If you cannot find the developer options, if they are not active in your device, no worries, it's quite normal. You will have to activate them manually. Of course, if you want to, you can check our tutorial of how to enable that, but if not, then I will quickly explain. You have to enter the About tablet. Here, let's tap on software information, find the build number, keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and we can go back. Actually enter the developer options, which should appear right under the About tablet. So if we are on those in these options, and let's scroll down to find the demo mode here. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got actually two different options, two different ways to turn it on, because first of all, we can enable the demo mode without showing it just by tapping on this switcher, and as you can see, nothing changed, nothing happened, but trust me, it is already turned on. But we can also show the demo mode just by tapping on this switcher here, and I have no idea why it did not work, but no worries. As you can see, after turning off the enable demo mode option and turning it on again, you will be able to show the demo mode. And here we've got the differences. So for example, on the status bar, and the all the icons are in their full state. So for example, I've got 100% of battery, which is not really true because I've got like 41%, I believe, and the hour has been halted. Nothing will be changed from this moment. So of course, again, you can hide the demo mode just by tapping on this switcher, or you can turn it off completely here. No worries if you cannot see some changes on the status bar, they will appear in a moment or after restarting the device. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.